Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to record calls on your iPhone iOS 18. And it's really easy and simple, guys, but Apple does not provide you an inbuilt feature, okay? So I'm going to show you how to get this done safely and effectively. So first things first, it's important to know the legal requirements, okay? Ensure that you actually have permission from all participants because laws vary by region, and you want to check your local regulations for this. And then what you're going to do basically is you want to use a third-party app. So you want to go to the App Store and download a trusted app like Rev Call Recorder or Tape a Call. And then you just want to open up the app, okay, and follow the instructions to set up call recording, which is usually by enabling a three-way call feature. Now, what you can also do, guys, you can leverage Google Voice. So you want to sign up for Google Voice and enable call recording in its settings. Okay? And for incoming calls, what you're going to do is you want to press the number 4 during the call to start recording. And of course, guys, you can also use external devices. You can place your iPhone on speakerphone and use a secondary device like another phone or recording device to capture the conversation. And of course, guys, what you can do is you can try call recording adapter. So you can purchase a hardware adapter designed to record calls. And these devices connect to your iPhone via the Lightning port and basically lets you record directly to an external storage device. And then, of course, guys, you can store and secure recordings. So after recording, you want to transfer the files to a secure location like, iCloud or Google Drive or any other external hard drive to keep them safe, guys. And it's really that easy and simple to record calls on your iPhone iOS 18. So I hope this video helped you out, guys. And if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.